The following is brought to you by paullakers.net.
Hey everyone, Paul Akers. Welcome to Norm's video series. What is Norm's video series? Well, Norm runs a manufacturing plant in China making trampolines. Norm went to Japan to me. Norm implemented 2-second lean with his factory there. And it's amazing what happened because Norm started capturing all the before and after videos in short little videos that are sometimes 20 seconds long, 30 seconds long, a minute long, really short. And he produced 70 improvement videos. So we're going to entitle this Norm's 2-second lean improvement videos. And we're going to title them Norm 1, Norm 2, Norm 3. So you can easily find the ones that you really like. Oh, check out Norm's 13 video. That's incredible because they're all incredible, honestly, but it'll allow you to get through them really easily. There'll be a little title as well telling you what it's about. But this is going to be an amazing thing that Norm has done. And what's unusual about this is in China, you know, you're kind of a minion. You go to work, do what they tell you to do. But China is completely been revolutionized, at least Norm's factory, by the fact that Norm said, no, we want you to think. We want you to start improving things.
Here's a quick improvement. Over in our fabrication area, we've got these parts that are made on a press machine, and when we finish making them, we transfer them out of a small container and dump them into a bigger container. So there's some overprocessing and extra motion, and it's a bit of a struggle getting it in and out. And so to fix that, we just made the container underneath the proper size, and now we can take it in and out really easily without any extra struggle. Thanks so much.
And it's really, really exciting, both that he was able to get a culture that wouldn't typically innovate like this, at least at the ground level, and more importantly, that Norm created these short, pithy videos using voiceover. It's incredible. You should watch these in your morning meeting. You'll learn a lot and be inspired. Norm, thanks for all the great work you've done and your team, because your team is amazing. Enjoy Norm's 2-second lean improvement videos. And of course, on YouTube and Rumble, because I have a Rumble channel now, and Rumble has a lot of the same videos that you're seeing on YouTube. So if you prefer Rumble, go over to Rumble. If you like YouTube, go over to YouTube. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Brought to you by paullakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second lean play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second lean play app at paullakers.net.